afternoon, everyone. Nice to see you on my channel. I haven't seen you so much time and I hope that you miss me. So we're gonna work as usual. I hope this video will be not so difficult for you, and this video is especially aimed to the beginners at this. So first of all, I'm gonna share you with my opinion, and I try to explain you everything that I know how you can be good at this. So I'm gonna open the first position. Okay, my first position always is $100. Okay, first step of each trader is to predict where the currency pair rate will be in 1 minute. So I try to understand, I try to predict where actually the market line will be. Here we have higher position and lower position. It means call option and put option. So I'm looking at this indicator. It's not an indicator, I mean it's just like you see the explanation, the trader's sentiment, okay? It means the current higher lower ratio. For example, if the whitest is 70% red, it means that at this point 70% of traders went lower and only 30 went hard. So I'm gonna do the same. Here we have 39% against 61. So I guess I will open the first option. And my little tip for you, try to make your stake, try to open your option as close to the expiration line. It will be easier to predict the currency pair rate, when and where it will be. So lower 53% against 47, and I will wait for a while. $100, my first amount. Okay, so I've opened first position, it is put position, and I will wait for a while. You may open the other positions if you want, but I try to stay calm about it and to wait for a while. Okay, so 20 seconds left. Okay, don't grow up. So, okay, that is good. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, 91. So you see how it works. Sometimes it is not so easy, but that is one of the steps how you can open your position. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same. Okay, here we have purchase time, lower 63% against 37, but I will wait. I'm waiting because I don't want to be in hurry. I try to stay cold-blooded and to try to make exactly stake and to get a win. Okay, purchase time. So here we have 54 against 46. I will wait. And okay, lower. Here we go. $100. I've opened lower position, put position, and expiration time begins. So expiration time lasts 30 seconds. That is not so good for me. So okay, but we have 15 seconds. So come on. Okay. that is not good for me. So how I need to open the next position in case of loss? In case of loss, I need to make the other position, the next position, twice times and a half bigger than the previous one. So what I have to do, I need to change $100 to $250 and be ready to make exactly position to open, to be ready to open the good position for me. Okay, so I will wait for a while. 58% against 42. Purchase time 40 seconds left. So we see that the line of the trend market is falling down. So I guess it will rise up. And that is why 56% and right now 61. Okay, so I've opened my position. It is call position, and I guess that the line of the market will grow up. That's okay. Come on, I have 16 seconds. Come on, grow up. Oh my gosh. So you see, you have to work with the other indicators, and you can mix the trader's opinion while working with the other indicators. That is not a good tip to use and to work with every day, okay? So it's just in case of the other kind to predict, okay, where and when the currency pair rate will be in 1 minute. So I'm gonna do the same. I need to cover my loss. That's why I need to, okay, thank you. I need to change $250 to $500 because I need to cover everything that I lost. You understand? So 40 seconds left. Purchase time. Here we have 37% lower position, 63 higher position. Okay, so I need to predict. And I will wait. Try to make your open your position to make your bet as close to the expiration line. Okay. So I will cross my fingers. $1,500. I've opened call option because I hope that the market will grow up. 30 seconds. We have only 30. So come on, grow up. That is not so difficult. Please, go hard just a little. One more time. Grow up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So you see, I have my result is $455. That was too nervous, not so easy. So you see that in one case it just you have trader's opinion, but you shouldn't work with this kind of tips to work every day with the IQ option platform. So what we have result, and if you want to open the another position, you should to return to your first position. What I mean, I go back to my first position, not position, I go back to my first amount, $100, and open my position if I am ready. If you don't, you finish your hard work and go to relax and return for your work. So you see how you can work with most traders' opinion And I want to say thank you for your attention. I really miss you guys. So check my next video. It will be a few days later. And see you in the next time. Don't forget to click on the bell sign button, subscribe to my channel, and put your likes. Bye.